Number 8. The Ninja BN301 Nutri-Blender Plus Compact Personal Blender is a sleek and powerful addition to any kitchen. With its 900 peak watt motor, this blender excels at creating perfectly blended smoothies and crushing ice with ease. The compact design makes it a space-saving option without sacrificing functionality. Included with the blender are essential components such as the Pro Extractor Blades assembly, 3 20-ounces to-go cups, 2 spout lids, and a storage lid. Additionally, the blender comes with an inspiration guide featuring 20 recipes to help users get started on their blending journey. The Ninja BN301 offers 3 different speeds, catering to various blending needs, and it's specifically recommended for blending and ice crushing. For those concerned about power consumption, the blender operates on a corded electric power source, providing reliable performance. Manufactured by Shark Ninja and weighing 5.34 pounds, this blender is designed with